Do you have an axe to grind or a hatchet to bury? If you do, then you have two tools that need sharpening. To that end, I would recommend this bench grinder. It is very nice. Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I'm Phil Shinbine, and this week I'm going to talk to you about a bench grinder. Now, is a bench grinder a cool tool? It's a very useful tool. Every workshop in the world needs one. This one is Sherwood's base model. It is kind of where we start here at Timbecon, and it is an affordable and efficient machine for getting things to the point where you can take them to your stones and get them properly sharpened. For me, what makes the bench grinder interesting, and this is just an opinion, but this is what in my mind makes this a cool tool, is when you take the training wheels off. In my shop, I have two of these, this exact unit. I have two of them. One of them does have a buffing and a polishing wheel on either end, and the other one has a big sanding drum for my leatherwork stuff. When I go to clean up the edges, makes them all flat, and then there's another wheel that I have that's a wooden burnishing tool, like an edge burnisher, that I use to clean up the edges. When I do drum repair restoration work, often the chrome plated hardware is filthy. It's ancient, it's got billion years of crud all over it. And when I'm bringing the stuff back up to showroom quality, I can just quickly walk over, flick on the machine, buff it, polish it, go on to the next piece. And this is a very cost-effective way to do that. Speaking of cost-effective, this unit is a great place to get started, right? This is the kind of base model sharpening machine, rather. It goes up and up and up from here. You can get up into the slow-speed version of this, the whetstone grinders. There's two of those as well. But as far as just putting out the least amount of money to get the most amount of work done in your sharpening machines, this is the best thing for it. So there you have it, Sherwood's bench grinder. It's a no-brainer. It's a cost-effective solution. Just go out and buy one. Buy two. I did. For more information, check the links down below in the doobly-doo, or go to our website, timbecon.com.au, where you can find everything you need to know to get woodworking. If it's your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you probably next week.